Hello. In this video, I want to find dy dx for the following function. Y equals parentheses 5x squared minus 6x close parentheses all to the negative 2 power. Okay, I'm going to do this by defining u and then doing the long way of doing this, and then I'm going to do it my way. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to let u equal the inside, and the inside is 5x squared minus 6x. That means that the derivative of u with respect to x, just take that derivative, gives me 10x minus 6. Good. Now, that also tells me that y, instead of being what you see there, will be u to the minus 2. So the derivative of y with respect to u is just take the derivative of u to the negative 2. So bring that down. That gives me negative 2. U to the negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Awesome. So dy du will be dy dx will be dy du times du dx. And then just replace them with what they are. Dy du is negative 2u to the negative 3 times du dx, which is 10x minus 6. Now notice that we can replace the u with what we set up here, 5x squared minus 6x. So this is negative 2 times 5x squared minus 6x, close parentheses, to the negative 3 power times 10x minus 6. And honestly, I would go ahead and distribute the negative into here, or you can factor out a 2 from here and bring it out here to the 2. Either way is fine. So I would put it as parentheses 5x squared minus 6x, close parentheses, to the negative 3 power times negative 2 times 10 is negative 20, and negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. You just have to make sure you distribute this into both of those. Now this negative 2 will only distribute into a single parentheses once, and you can't do it to this one because the exponent isn't 1. That's the reason I would only distribute the negative 2 into this right here. Awesome. And that's the derivative. But as I said before, I would do this in a slightly different way. So let's do that. So if we said y is equal to parentheses 5x squared minus 6x to the negative 3 power. That means that dy dx, we're going to ignore that big parentheses and just do that one last. But notice that all of that is to the negative 3 power, so we're going to use the power rule. Bring the negative, sorry, that was negative 2, wasn't it? Bring that negative 2 down in front, makes that negative 2 parentheses 5x squared minus 6x, just rewrite it, to the negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. And then multiply by the derivative of the inside, and derivative of the inside, well, 5x squared becomes 10x, and negative 6x becomes negative 6. And oh, look, we just have that right there, so we can distribute the negative 2 into both of those. And that's going to give me parentheses 5x squared minus 6x all to the negative 3 power times negative 20x plus 12. And there you go. And either way will work here. I'm just a fan more of the way that I do it. You have to find your own way. Now, I will say that more than likely my lab math is going to like this way of doing it. So if you like following my lab math, then you'll like the first way. If you like to do it kind of in a shorter way, you'll like my way. Alrighty. Well, I think that's it for this video. I'm going to go and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.